channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. This is Lightscamera-bake and I am Emma. And this is my cousin Nina.
Hello!
She's joining me again. If you didn't see the video we've already done where we tasted BuzzFeed brownies, I'll put a link up somewhere around there. Check out Nina's YouTube channel, go subscribe. We've done a few videos on her channel.
Yeah, it's called Nina Corn B, look that up. And
I'll link it in below. And today we are doing another interesting video where I'm going to be blindfolded baking brownies. Yay! So Nina's going to be reading me the ingredients. They're all kind of off to the side there in containers.
So she has to measure them and like I'm allowed to tell her how much is in it.
So this is going to be interesting. Today we are doing Kinder Bueno brownies. So I'm super excited. Yeah, shall we get started?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'm very excited.
I don't know why I let you in the kitchen, honestly. That's terrifying. Okay. I think I've tied my hair into it, so that's going to be fun.
Oh no.
Right.
Okay, don't touch the knife. I don't want you to die.
Okay, I don't need the knife. So, am I still on the camera?
Yes. No, that's the knife.
Okay, where is the knife?
Here. Yes.
Where is it?
There.
Let's just move it. Cool. Where are they?
No, they're still on the bench.
Okay.
They just like spun around.
This is weird. Okay, I know that I need to melt butter.
Yeah, you're on it, yeah? Okay.
So that's butter.
The scales. Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh. Where am I?
Okay, so that's the scales. You're touching the scales.
Okay.
Yep, they're on. They're on.
Awesome. Chocolate.
250 grams.
Oops. What was that?
That was really the chocolate. I have it.
You're eating it. Okay, what does this feel like? Maybe around about... I'm going to go with like 90 grams. Let's see how accurate I am. How do I get this out? Like that.
Okay, got it out. A little bit over
butter! Is that 90 grams?
No.
Damn.
A bit more. A little bit more.
Oh my gosh. Getting into packets is stupid.
Just a little bit more.
I feel myself like leaning forward, like I'm going into a squat for things. So
yeah, you've got it.
I'm gonna break this one up.
Yeah, that's the butter. Just put your hand in it again.
Yeah,
again.
That's gross.
Okay, now you've got to...
I did it! Yeah!
The what?
What the heck is that?
What's
Oh, it's like hazelnuts. I was thinking, ugh. Element. I'm hoping that's an okay. Okay, I don't need that anymore.
Okay, here, I'll take it.
That might be an idea. So, and I need sugar and brown sugar. Okay, somewhere this way.
Okay.
My camera?
Yes.
Okay.
That was so funny because I said here and you just walked at me.
Stops after about 2 minutes, so we'll just have to keep, whenever that red thing goes away, just check.
Okay, what will that have cut out?
I have no idea. It stopped recording, so hopefully it didn't chop anything out. Hope not. Okay.
I hope it didn't try out the sugar because that was hilarious.
I hope not.
That was so funny. Hey, you're actually kind of good. I think I just jinxed you. You just put it in the cup.
Oh, no. Great. Where's the other egg?
Pick up more. Okay, it's next to that. There you go.
There you go.
Yes.
Okay. Set the bowl.
Yes.
No sense.
Oh my god, that's a lot. I meant to put in a lot. You kind of made it brown.
That's 2 teaspoons, so I don't know. I
Oh.
normally wing it.
So it's kind of like, kind of looks really cool. The sugar's like dripping into it because there's so much of it.
Oh shoot. How should I put in? Oh no.
I can't tell you how well you've done the mixing, so it might taste yucky.
Oh, I just got egg or something on me. Wow, that vanilla is very strong. Oh, I keep getting it on me.
So, guys, I don't know if you can really see that, but it's literally just brown from the vanilla essence. So that's exciting.
But there's also brown sugar, so there'll be a bit of brown from the brown sugar.
It smells, the vanilla essence is so strong.
It smells delicious.
Yeah.
So that's it. Okay, so now I need the chocolate. Ugh. Oh, look at that. I can be like, wow. I can't do this. This is so weird.
Yeah, there it is. Okay.
This is terrifying.
Okay,
Like,
I'll just move that out of the way. Okay, yep. Good girl.
where's the thing? There. Getting it in there.
Yep, yep.
Oh, I can hear the beautiful sound of the Oh, weird.
Yeah.
When you get a blindfold, like I just want to... Hello. I was like, wait, did I press record?
Yes, you did. Oh, Don't worry, take it. Oh, shoot.
What?
It's like pulling out the edges.
No.
This is priceless.
No, how does that happen?
Oh, it's too fast. Okay, there you go. That's good. That's good.
Why is that flagging?
You just smushed it.
Tastes delicious. Oh, it's come out the side here.
Yep.
How does that happen? Oh yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you need 3/4 of a cup of cocoa.
That's the cup. Ah! That's an egg.
Okay, so one of the cups has an eggshell in it.
I think it's a third. It's not big enough for a half. So
But it's 3/4 of a cup.
I know. I'm just gonna wing it a bit.
Okay.
I don't even know if that's not even half full. Is that the bowl?
Yep. No, go back in the bowl.
Oh, there's the bowl.
I'm sorry, this is so funny.
Pretty sure this is pretty piled up. Yeah.
Okay, yep, just drop it in. Don't get any of it on it.
I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Oh. I don't know where I am. What am I touching? It's very flour-like. Is that flour? Is it icing sugar?
What do you think it is?
It smells like flour.
Oh, you're right.
Really. Where'd that cup go? How much flour?
Flour. You need 1.5 cups.
Is this going in the cup? Please tell me it's going in the cup.
Oh no, no. Okay. Yep, so that's the right cup.
I don't even know if it's coming. Is it even coming out? I don't know. I feel like I'm getting no. Oh, I feel flour.
I feel like you guys will want a part 2. This is hilarious.
This is horrifying. I feel the flour. Ugh. Okay, so I feel like that's needed.
It's okay. You're okay. It's okay.
That's nearly a cup. Is it in the bowl?
Yep.
I'm getting flour all over my hands.
You're not allowed to look.
Oh no. Is it going everywhere again?
No.
Good. Mixing. I feel like clumps. Oh.
Oh, wow. Why not try it? Ugh.
Did you just have like powder? I feel it's powdery.
Can I look at your hands? No. Show them your hands.
I feel like there's powder on the side.
You're alright. You're okay.
It's cleaning the side. Is it mixed?
Yep. You could say that.
Why does that concern me? I'll just say that.
And you can't look at it. You can't take it off. If you want to take off your blindfold, you have to go out of the room.
That was cocoa.
Towards me. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, there you go.
I took the blade out, didn't I? Yes.
Oh, yeah. There you go. That actually looks really cool.
Yay.
Smells like
Chocolate
popcorn.
chip. Oh no.
Oh, God.
Oh yes. No.
So that's all the ones that came out. That's all I got in my mouth.
Okay. More. I'm just gonna break them.
Okay.
Ultra sticky. Did you just steal some?
No. Okay, let's mix this.
I'm so concerned right now.
Fully mix it?
No.
Well, then you should stop.
Oh, okay. I've discovered while being blindfolded, square things are your friend. How
Okay.
am I above it?
Yep, I hope so. Yep, it's falling in. There's a... Okay, go. You can do it.
It's
Do you want me to hold on to it?
Yeah, it's heavy. And this fully full. I've got a face blindfold.
I can't. No, I'm not doing it.
Oh gosh.
I can't.
This is terrifying. I'm just gonna take
there
the
you go.
blindfold off.
No, you're in. You're in.
Yeah, but it's so painful.
I'll guide you.
That'll do. I can't. My finger is covered in my face.
No.
Completely covered. What do I do?
I need to wash my hands.
Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna bake it and hope it turns out alright. How does it look?
Amazing.
I don't know yet still. I'm gonna have a look because I'm not putting it
No,
up.
you can't fix anything.
Oh! It's everywhere! It's up the sides.
That was when I guided you back into the bowl.
But yes, hello. As you can see, it's got a bit darker. The brownie has been cooking and it actually looks really good.
But she's not blindfolded anymore, so that's good.
I'm not blindfolded, and I wasn't blindfolded when I got it in or out of the oven because I don't have a death wish. Death wish. And I burn myself enough without blindfolds. Really chocolate. And look at the wobble, it's gonna be fudgy.
So also, I didn't tell her when she was pouring it in, she put in a big blob of cocoa that was sitting on the side. So Hopefully that's cooked through, but we'll see.
I hope so, because ew. Yeah, let me see if I can lift this out.
Oh, that's
it's
just
so
gonna break.
fudgy. It's just gonna break everywhere. Well, we're gonna try this off camera, and I don't think we're gonna wait around to film it because it's getting later. But it looks good. It's super fudgy. It smells amazing. If there's anything major mishaps, we will record it. But if it's normal, you will see the photos, and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. If you want to see more of these or any others, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to Nina.
So the link will be in the description below, but it is called Nina Corned Beef. So, and if you want a part 2, don't forget to comment too.
Yeah, comment below if you want part 2 with her blindfolded.
So that will be interesting.
Leave it there. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.